Hello students, I'm here again with the second part of our chapter 1, Introduction to Visual Basic. So in the first part of video we have seen what is basic of Visual Basic, how Windows works, right? And starting off Visual Basic, object oriented programming, event driven programming and integrated development environment. Now in this session we are going to learn about Toolbox. So let's get started. Toolbox consists of all the controls essential for the developing a VB application. That means if you want to create any VB application, then all the controls and developing tool will be available in Toolbox. Controls are tools such as boxes, buttons, labels and other objects drawn on a form to get input or display output, right? We can use various buttons, labels and other objects that are important to draw our picture. That will be available in Toolbox. They also add visual appeal. This tool helps you write programs faster. So first one हमारा tool है वो है pointer, right? So what is the use of pointer? It is used to select the objects. If you want to select any object, then this pointer is used. The second one is picture box, right? It is used to display images. For example, if you want to display any image, then picture box is used. You have to add this picture in your picture box. Third one is label. It is used to display fixed text on the form for remark. Fine. If you want to write something, then you have to write in this label. The fourth one is text box. It is used to edit the text, right? The fifth one is frame. So it is used to group the tools or objects together. If you want to some object combination, then frame is used. For example, I want to text box and one button, then I will put it in a frame. The sixth one is command button. It is used as a switch such as OK or cancel button or command button, right? If you want to make any two options like on or off or OK or cancel, then command button is used. The seventh one is checkbox. It provides the user a toggle choice, checked or unchecked, right? If you want to make any choice, then checkbox is used. The eighth one is option button. An option button is used for selection as a group. Many options are placed inside container. If you want to select some group objects, then option button is used. The ninth one is list box. It allows user to add and delete items from the list. If you want to add more item or delete any item, then list box is used. The 10th one is combo box. So it draws a combo box. 11th one is H scroll bar. That means horizontal scroll bar. Creates a horizontal scroll bar. Same like V scroll bar creates a vertical scroll bar. 13th one is timer. It places a timer on a form. If you want to add any timer on a form, then this one is used. The 14th one is driver list box. Drive list box. It is used to access the system disk drive like CD. If you want to access your drives that is already on your PC, then drive list box is used. The 15th one is dir list box. It is used to access directories on a system. If you want to access any directory that is already saved in your PC, then this dir list box is used. The 16th one is file list box. So it is used to access files in a directory. 7th one, SAP. It is used to draw circles, rectangles, squares or ellipse, right? Simple. 18th one is line. So it is used to draw lines. 19th one is image. So it is used to display image. It does not provide as many capability as a picture box, right? In image you also can display the image, but it does not provide many capabilities like picture box. The 20th one is data. It is used to connect to a database. If you want to connect this form to your database, then data is used. OLE, it is used to interact with other window application, right? The next one is the menu bar and toolbar. So we can see the picture of menu bar and toolbar here. The menu bar displays the commands that are required to build an application. We click any option on the menu bar to see a pull down list of options that provide commands or another level of menu. We can see many options here like file, edit, view. वो हमारा क्या है? Menu bar. And in toolbox there are so many options available, right? The first one is form layout window. This is the one window that is displayed on VB screen. So let's see what is form layout window. The form layout window displays the initial position and relative size of the current form, right? If we want to if we want the form to appear at a different location, we can move the form inside the form layout window at any given position and see the changes in the form window. First of all, what is form layout window? It display initial position and size of current window, मतलब आपकी विंडो की साइज़ क्या है एंड उसका पोजीशन क्या है, और आप उसको ट्रैक करके या मूव करके दूसरी जगह पे फॉर्म विंडो पे कहीं भी उसको रख सकते हो एंड चेंजेस आप देख सकते हो. द नेक्स्ट वन इज प्रॉपर्टीज विंडो. The properties window contains the list of design time properties for a selected form, control, class, module or menu. Right? This type of option is available in properties window. These properties can be changed at design time and the properties window show each property's current setting. Right? आपको कोई भी प्रॉपर्टी चेंज करनी है तो आप कहाँ पे कर सकते हो, प्रॉपर्टीज विंडो में उसको चेंज कर सकते हो. व्हेन यू सिलेक्ट मल्टीपल कंट्रोल्स, द प्रॉपर्टीज विंडो कंटेन अ लिस्ट ऑफ प्रॉपर्टीज कॉमन टू ऑल द सिलेक्टेड कंट्रोल्स. कोई एक कंट्रोल के लिए उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज अलग अलग होती है और इसको हम इस प्रॉपर्टीज विंडो में चेंज भी कर सकते हैं. द नेक्स्ट वन इज प्रोजेक्ट विंडो. तो ऑल द ऑब्जेक्ट्स दैट मेक अप द एप्लीकेशन आर प्लेस्ड इन अ प्रोजेक्ट. प्रोजेक्ट विंडो इज लोकेटेड on the right side of the screen just under the toolbar. toolbar के नीचे क्या होती है, प्रोजेक्ट विंडो होती है. it serves as a quick reference to the various elements of a project. The next one is object browser. The object browser allows us to browse the various properties, event and methods related to any object that is made available to us. Right? We can access various browser properties or event and methods from here. Object browser can be accessed either by pressing F2 or selecting it from view menu. So remember this shortcut key F2 for object browser. The last one is the form window. The form window is our primary work area where the visual development of the application is created or modified. Right? Form window में से हम अपने क्या कर सकते हैं, GUI क्रिएट कर सकते हैं और उसमें से ही हमारी एप्लीकेशन क्या होगी, डेवलप होगी. Although the form window first appears small relative to the rest of the screen, the form window comprises the background of the application. The form window shows the main body of the application. The form can be resized to take up the width of the screen. मतलब कि ये हमारी main body होती है और उसको आप resize भी कर सकते हो. The form window only holds objects such as command buttons, labels, text boxes, scroll bars and other controls to form the main elements of the graphical user interface. Right? तो जैसे हमने पहले ही पढ़ा था कि फॉर्म मतलब क्या है, आपका ग्राफिकल यूज़र इंटरफेस है. तो आपको मैं यहाँ पे दिया गया है कि उसमें क्या हो गया, बटन्स, लेबल्स, टेक्स्ट बॉक्स, स्क्रॉल बार एंड एक्सेट्रा. राइट? द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज क्रिएटिंग योर फर्स्ट एप्लीकेशन that we will see in our next video. Thanks for watching.